which stand for first, outer, inner, and last. Assalamu alaikum dear students, let's talk about multiplying complex numbers. Looking at a complex number under bracket a plus bi should remind you of binomials from algebra. Remember that to multiply binomials you need to apply each term of the first binomial by each term of the second. A short version for doing this is the FOIL rule, which stands for first, outer, inner, and last. For an example of under bracket a plus b under bracket c plus d, we will apply this rule as follows. The f in FOIL means that you multiply the first term of the first binomial by the first term of the second binomial. For the sample, this would be a multiply c. The o in FOIL tells you to multiply the outer terms. These are the first term of the first binomial and second term of the second binomial. For the sample, this would be a multiplied d. The I in a FOIL means to multiply the inner term. These would be the two terms that appears in the middle, which are the second term of the first binomial and the first term of the second binomial. In the given example, the inner terms are b multiplied c. Last, the L in FOIL represents the last term of the each binomial. For the sample expressions, this would be b multiplied d. Finally, add our four products together. The result of the sample binomial multiplication of the under bracket a plus b and c plus d is ac plus ad plus bc plus bd. To multiply two complex numbers, set them up as the product of two binomials and apply the FOIL rules. For example, the product of the two complex numbers under bracket 3 plus 2i multiply under bracket 5 minus 3i works as follows. First, the product of the first term is 3 multiply 5 equal to 15. Outer, the product of the outer term is 3 multiply under bracket minus 3i. This product is minus 9i. Inner, the product of the two inner term is 2i multiply 5. This product is 10i. Last, the product of the last term is under bracket 2i multiply minus under bracket minus 3i. This product is minus 6i square. Recognize that I square equal to minus 1. So the value of minus 6i square is minus 6 multiply minus 1, which is 6. After applying the FOIL rule and finding the four independent products, combines them together to find the result of the multiplications. For the sample, under bracket 3 plus 2i multiply under bracket 5 minus 3i. The parts combine to give 15 minus 9i plus 10i plus 6. The result of the FOIL rule multiplication should yield two real number terms and two imaginary number terms. Simplify the result by combining like terms together. For example, 15 minus 9i plus 10i plus 6, you can add the 15 and 6 together and add the minus 9 and the 10i together. The result will be 21 plus i. Let's work through one more example. Find the product of the two complex number under bracket 3 plus 4i under bracket minus 2 minus 5i.